What's the one thing that can turn your retirement dream in Thailand into a financial nightmare? The wrong health insurance. I've been through the daunting process of navigating the considerations for choosing a policy, and today I'll share the paths you can take and why I chose a more expensive one. Let's start with the elephant in the room, your home country's national healthcare system. Even if you paid into your plan most of your life, the reality is that for most of us, leaving our home country to retire means leaving behind our national healthcare system. Being from the US, I have to consider whether I may decide to move back to the US. In that case, paying the $180 plus monthly premium for Medicare B may be a bigger savings than paying the penalty for re-enrollment when I return. I am on my second year of paying for Medicare B while abroad, and I have decided to drop it. This is a completely personal choice based on my intentions and my other options. This brings us to a crucial point about global health insurance. The most expensive part of any global policy is coverage in high-cost countries, like the United States. So choosing an option to exclude the US will save a hefty amount on premiums. You will see two types of international health plans. The first is an inpatient-only plan, which is the more budget-friendly option. It covers you for major catastrophic medical events that require a hospital stay. However, this type of plan leaves a significant gap in your coverage, as you'll have to pay out of pocket for everything else, from doctor visits and prescriptions to outpatient surgeries and diagnostics. A comprehensive plan, on the other hand, closes that gap. While it can double the cost of a basic policy, it covers all of your healthcare needs, both in and out of the hospital. Therefore, a comprehensive plan is often the better long-term financial decision. Then there is the consideration of whether to opt for a global plan or a Thailand-only plan. The more prudent approach would be to buy a comprehensive global, worldwide excluding USA policy. While it is more expensive now, this policy provides guaranteed renewability. This means that no matter what health conditions I developed over the next years, my coverage is locked in for life. Yes, my premiums will rise, but I'll avoid the ticking time bomb. Suppose I chose a cheaper, local Thailand-only plan, thinking, I'm healthy, I'll just switch plans if I move to a different country. The risk is that your health can change in an instant. If I get into a motorbike accident, develop a new condition, or even just notice a strange symptom, my new policy will not cover it. By then, my health issue is considered pre-existing, and I would be left to pay for everything myself. If you are committed to staying in Thailand no matter what, then by all means consider a Thailand-only plan. I am not in that boat, so I am leaning towards a global policy excluding the USA. It is not about finding the cheapest policy today, it's about mitigating the financial risk of becoming uninsurable tomorrow. One of the first places I went to compare plans was a great web resource, checkdi.com. This site is very useful for comparing some of the available plans here in Thailand, but as you can see, it doesn't list every major international provider like Cigna or ALC Global. So while it is a great starting point, you should know that it is not the whole picture. This leads to the importance of working with a reputable international health insurance broker. Unlike an agent who works for a single company, a good broker works for you. They can shop the market and compare policies from multiple companies to find the best fit for your needs and budget. Look for a broker who specializes in expat insurance, has a strong reputation, and most importantly, offers support long after you have signed the papers, helping you with claims and renewals for years to come. I hope these considerations help with your plans. I will post another video in a few months when I change policies, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear about your expat insurance plans in the comments. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to stay in the loop. See you down the road. Be real.